we look at the household balance sheet, it's worth around 11 trillion pounds. Around 47% of those savings are in housing wealth, and the rest of it is in pensions, life assurance, and other assets. Yes, that's what it is. So actually, the funny thing is, peculiar, rather than funny, ha-ha, is the household sector in aggregate is very well off. It has wealth that's around 5 times national income. The problem might be it's not distributed very evenly and could be skewed towards older people, which may not be a bad thing, but it may not be optimal and may make it very hard for certain people to start their lives. Now, that might be a one-off result of the fact that we've had a very large increase in house prices and a very large increase in home ownership since the 1980s. Sadly, as all those people enter the end of period 2 of their life, then all that household wealth may be redistributed to their children in a way that might start to equalize some of the wealth inequalities we see out there.